Let's go do it. You got enough battery power?
I don't know. That's just the beginning of it. It's worse down here. There's some on the sides. This ain't too bad right here. Holy crap, it looks like a freaking lake up there.
I know. You can even like see like the road.
I'm gonna have to pull up my pant legs. Here, hold this. Earlier I came down here and this whole field was all filled with water. Look at that, look over the fence. It's like weird. Look, a guy on a bike. What?
It's a good test to see if my shoes are waterproof like they're supposed to be. Here. Holy crap.
Told ya. Look at that car!
That's pretty bad. There's bubbles over there.
Oh!
Nathan, let me see the damn camera.
It's cold. There's bubbles over there, like bubbling up. That's like fucked up.
Don't take your freaking feet. It's gonna go.
Well, so much for my shoes being waterproof.
Why are they not?
I must have holes in them now because it's like they're flooding my shoes.
Take them off.
Fuck!
I take them off right now because it gets worse.
I'm screwed now, Nathan. They're already freaking wet. Oh my god!
It's freaking cold.
Oh! Well, ain't this just a beauty?
Now I hope I don't fall like I did almost earlier.
Look, there's more bubbles. Watch out, we got alligators in the water. Oh, this is delicious.
What?
It's probably sewage we're stepping in right now.
This is my feet. They're all green.
Fuck, how the hell am I going to de-thaw my shoes before tonight?
That's why I told you to do not wear them.
I'd have to wear them anyways. Not really deep. It's only up to like, you know, maybe a few inches above my ankle.
Car.
Whoa.
Yeah, they're backing up.
Yeah, I wouldn't go through here either, people.
Yeah, we are the kings.
Yeah, right. We're the kings of walking through water.
We're the only ones brand enough to go through this.
Dude, it even flooded the parking lot of the bank over there.
Ow! I see the hole.
Here comes a truck. Let's go over.
Yeah. Of course they can go through it. Oh god.
Whoa! Watch out for...
It's cold.
Not nice!
That was so cold. That was like Iceman cold.
Iceman cold? Okay, that was weird. Crap, I'm gonna have to like find some other shoes to wear tonight. Lake Erie my ass.